Hi guys, Asteroid here, and I'm here playing alone as Gus, and I'm almost gonna get Daisy. Save space. Gain force field for 3.5 seconds. Okay. Right here. Oh, I found the TV. Oh gosh, I found the nightmare too. So as you know, I'm Asteroid, and another intro to me. This is my second video in this account, and it's only 3 parts of Flores Nightmare, and then I'll start giving Q&As and questions if I should play that game or this game. Yeah. It's 2:11. Oh gosh. Is she literally going here? Okay, gonna do this up here, so I won't waste time. And we're gonna lose this. I literally didn't see. This nightmare is being good right now. Oh, I heard the trap. Don't die yet. It's only 52. No. Minus 10. Gosh. Oh gosh. Yeah, we're losing. So I think it's only 4 minutes long because I need to do something. I'm alive. join, our Fishy and Rice crew, just say your name and what is the use of your character like that. Did the answer see this? Sorry for this is. I'm sorry for. I think I'm not gonna make it short. I'm just gonna make it 10 minutes long rather than 15 or 20 minutes long. Yeah, because I need to do something really bad. So I hope you will like this game. I mean, you will like me Fishy in this game. Like the power, the character of the people. Why are you picking hotel? One strategy. Do you if it's in the taken? If you're being chased, just hide in the middle of the TV. It won't get you. But also you cannot get out. If you can, if you can, you did it. If you didn't, it's okay. I hate this long intro. I'm gonna do TikTok.
Nobody else can see this. And it goes like this.
When other kids played cops and robbers, I memorized my father's badge number, the one he died for. When I learned my scores were good enough to get into the Federal Law Enforcement Academy, I called my mom immediately to share the news. Her response was harsh. You? A cop? With your pathetic grades? Restore your father's badge number. Don't embarrass him.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Alele, I'm flying.
How come, I thought I weigh heavier than you. Yeah, I thought I weigh heavier than you by at least like 5 kg.
Okay, it started. Oh my, I hate being Gus because I don't like being a healer because I'll usually focus on my PBs like that. I'm not a big of a healer. I'm not a big of oh my god. Serious right now. Dude, stop bashing me, okay? I'm just trying to hide right now. Since you're trying to make me, I don't care. I'm gonna leave, I guess. You're just... I'm not gonna bash you. But... I'm just hiding. And you should have said it nicely, not annoyingly. I'm not gonna heal you. Or so. I think it's the one who said don't do it. Wait, there's no chat? Oh my gosh. Focus. I won't help you. You're trying to stop me from doing what I want. And I want to hide, you know? I want to survive unlike you peoples. Oh, you're dead, Logan. You're dead, Logan. It's your fault for getting caught. I mean, I should be the healer, but I don't like to be. I don't like being a healer. Okay, it's my fault. I don't like being a healer. That was the third one. Oh. Oh. Quickly as possible. It's a happy face. Dude, stop trying that. Is it behind me or is it next to me? I think it's upstairs. Yeah, it's upstairs. I won't try to heal you Because you're being such a pain in the ass. Because you're trying to be a pain in my ass. I'll try. Oh, I love that. I love that. It's in my finger. I'm not gonna even try computer. I love that. Literally, heal me, sniper. Abo sniper, heal me. Heal me, Abo sniper. Thank you, Abo sniper. Sniper, you're a great character. Shout out to Abo sniper. Abo sniper, I think. But shout out to him for healing me, okay? Didn't even ask and I just got close to him. I thought he would heal me like other one. But he healed me. He's a nice character. You see the flashes. I'm sorry. Help. Thank you. Didn't even got it. Okay, I need to do two. Oh, here, Abo sniper, here. Like. We're gonna die together. Gonna die. Him again. Logan the Reaper is here. Bachara. Okay. 92. Yep. What? Down. Wait. I'm doing something. Oh. Oh gosh. Ito nalagla. Hindi ko nalaglag yung mag-isa. Di ako yun. It's not me. Open it. Enter my code. Go to Facebook. Nasa si Papa? Wala. Someone here now. Please. Is that a big hitbox? Is that a big hitbox? I'm gonna lead it away from you. Abo sniper. Abo sniper. cutscene that I already watched a million times. Zoom. Oof. Oof. I had a terrible nightmare. Here's the oof wand. Okay. Yay! So, if you want me to play more games, just like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye!